Hey guys, we're learning how to download the ultrasonic block. Right here we got downloads on the Lego Mindstorms website. Actually, we go to download page and then we go down until EV3 software blocks. What we have here is the ultrasonic sensor block. We want to click it and we will get a new file. After you press download, you will want to save it to your files in your computers or your actual desktop. And afterwards, you could close it. After you close it, go to Mindstorms, and usually we find file and save project, but this time we actually want to go to tools, and then we want to go to block import, which is how we get a new block into our toolbox. After you use block import, you will find download. You want to go to browse and then find your ultrasonic thing and import it into your Mindstorms. You can see this here, and then we see import. And you will see the gyro block or ultrasonic, and then you will see this thing pop up. You must restart the EV3 editor for this to take effect, and you click OK. And for Lego Mindstorms, you want to restart it so it will update. You can see here we have what we downloaded before, and we can choose both of them, or you could choose one. For now, we will choose the gyro, and as before, it will say you must restart it, and then as you import it, you must restart it for it to take effect. And after this, you'll be done. And that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Iconic spin again.
Through all you went through.